Hi, this is Mrs. D. We'll be adding 2 and 3-digit numbers today with base 10 blocks. You already know that we can represent numbers using base 10 blocks and then write those numbers out in expanded form. So in this video today, you'll learn how to add 2 and 3-digit numbers using base 10 blocks to represent and combine those numbers. We'll also use the base 10 block models to help us write numbers in their expanded form of hundreds, tens, and ones. The numbers we'll be working with today are counting books. First and second grade classes at Triangle School had a book reading challenge. Classrooms teamed up to see which team read the most books. Here are the numbers. Let's add them up. So I want to add the teams, the classrooms. One classroom had 42 books read and another had 23 books read. If I show these classroom numbers in base 10 blocks, I'm going to look at 42 first. 42 has 4 longs and 2 cubes. The 4 represent the tens, the 2 represents the ones. If I want to show those base 10 blocks in expanded form, I'm going to take the 4 longs, or 40, and I'm going to add it with the 2 cubes. So in expanded form, 42 is 40 plus 2. Now for 23. 23 I know is 2 longs, or 2 tens, and 3 cubes. If I want to show these base 10 blocks in expanded form, I would write 20 plus 3. Now I'm going to combine all the blocks together. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 longs, or 6 tens. That makes 60. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. I know when I combine the tens together, the ones together, I have 60 plus 5, and that makes 65 books read for this team. Now it's your turn. Get a pencil and paper, some base 10 blocks, or a whiteboard and marker. Ask yourself these questions and solve the problem. Pause the video here. So, how do you think you did? You can check your work on this slide. Pause the video until you have checked. So here's another team of book readers. If you don't have base 10 blocks, you can always draw your base 10 blocks in base 10 shorthand. I'm going to show 56 in 5 longs and 6 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to show 35 in 3 longs and 5 cubes. If I want to show these base 10 blocks in expanded form, 56 is 50 plus 6, and 35 would be 30 plus 5. 3 longs is 30, 5 cubes is 5. Now, let me see if I can make any trades. Well, I have 8 longs. That makes 80. But I have 11 cubes, so I can combine 10 cubes, and that actually makes another long. So I can trade and add the one more. 80 plus 10 is 90, and one more is 91. 91 books for this team. Now it's your turn. In that last example, we needed to make a trade. Try this one. Think about it. Can you make a trade? Pause the video here, and then when you're ready, play it to check your work. So, how did you do? On this slide, you can check your work. Did you make any trades? Pause the video until you've checked, and then hit play again. Wow, this class read so many books, 143 plus 175. So let's represent the numbers in base 10 blocks. I've already done that. 1 flat, 4 longs, 3 cubes. 175, 1 flat, 7 longs, and 5 cubes. Now, let's look at how we would see these numbers in expanded form. If I use the base 10 blocks, I know that I have 100, 4 tens is 40, 3 cubes is 3. 100 here, 70, and 5. So now I'm going to see if I can make any trades. I can't trade 2 flats. Can I trade any longs? Ooh, let's see. I have so many longs. I think I can make 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 longs will give me another flat. Can I trade cubes? Nope, not enough. So now I have 100, 200, 300 plus 10 plus 3 and 5 is 8. That gives me 318 books for this team. Wow. Now you give it a try with some big numbers. Grab your tools. Try this team, 127 plus 285. If you need the questions to help, use them. Pause the video here and solve. This slide, check your work. Pause the video again. Did you make any trades? Wow, awesome work today. Today you learned how to use Base-10 block models to help you add 2 and 3-digit numbers. You can use Base-10 blocks to represent the value of a number in expanded form. When you combine the hundreds, tens, and ones, you can find any sum. Just remember, sometimes you can trade or regroup your Base-10 blocks. Happy adding!